morning, Seacole. Today in our maths, we are going to be looking at fact families. So I've given you different lists of 3 numbers and I want you to create a lovely little fact family for me. So I'll show you an example. I have the numbers 1, 9 and 10. I'm going to draw a little house to put my fact family in. So here's my roof. You can use a ruler for this. And here is my house. And in the roof, you're going to put your 3 numbers in. Now, if you have a look, 10 is my biggest number. So 10 goes at the top. And then my other 2 numbers are 9 and 1. So they go at the other 2 sides at the bottom. And I'd like you to do for me 2 add sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. And remember, each number sentence has an equal sign. So let's look at our first sentence. Now, the 2 numbers at the bottom make the top number when you add them together. Let's double check. So I've got 9 in my head and I'm going to add 1. 9, 10. That does equal 10. So 9 add 1 equals 10. That's the first member of my fact family. How else could I write this? Well, 10 has to go here because those 2 numbers added together make 10. But I could swap these 2 around, can't I? So 1 add 9 also equals 10. And when we move on to our subtraction, we can use those 3 numbers in the family again. But when we subtract, which number do we take away from? Remember, we always take away from the biggest number. So 10 has to go at the start of my number sentence because we take away from 10 to get a smaller number, don't we? So 10 take away 9 is 1. Use all 3 of my numbers. And 10 take away, now remember I've already used 9, so I could put 1 here. 10 take away 1 equals 9. And I've completed my fact family. I've got my 3 numbers in my roof and my 4 number sentences in my house. Remember, 2 add and 2 take away. So let's have another go. Here I have 4, 3 and 7. So remember, first of all, I'm going to draw my house. Do you remember which number goes at the top of my roof? It is my biggest number, which is 7. And my 2 other numbers go at the bottom, 4 and 3. And remember, we need to do 2 number sentences with add and 2 number sentences take away. And all of our number sentences need an equal sign too. So when we add, the 2 smaller numbers have to make the bigger number, don't they? Because if I added 7 and 3 together, that's going to be far too high. It definitely won't equal 4 because 4 is smaller than 7. So if you add to it, you're not going to get a smaller number, are you? Because when you add, it gets bigger. So let's double check. 4 in my head, and I'm going to add 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. It does equal 7. So I can write 4 add 3 equals 7. And now I can just flip it round, can't I? I can do 3 add 4 equals 7. Let's double check. 3 in my head, 4 fingers up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It does equal the same. Because we're still adding the same 2 numbers. It doesn't matter which way round you add them. You're always going to get the same answer. Now for take away. Remember, when we take away, we always have to take away from the biggest number. Because if we did 4 take away 3, it can't be 7 because 7's bigger than 4. And we're taking away, aren't we? So 7 take away 4 equals 3. Let's check that. 7 in my head, take 4 away. Remember, taking away means we're going to count less. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It does equal 3. And the other way around, 7 take away 3 equals 4. I will do one last one. 6, 2, and 8. So remember, we draw our roof of our house, and then we draw our house. We need 4 number sentences, don't we? So, my biggest number goes at the top, which is 8, and my other 2 go at the bottom, which is 6 and 2. And I have 2 addition sentences, 2 subtraction, and every number sentence needs an equal sign. So 6 add 2 equals 8. We can flip that round because it's still going to be the same answer. 2 add 6 equals 8. And then when we take away, we take from the biggest number so that our answer is smaller. 8 take away 6 equals 2. And 8 take away 2 equals 6. And there you have it. Have a go. I've written on our daily activities page some numbers for you to have a go and make your fact families. Have a good day, Seacole. Bye bye.